This secret pocket option strategy made me over $18,000. Real profit, no BS. And now, I'm about to break down the exact steps using the TurboTrend software. If you miss this, you're missing a money-making machine. The TurboTrend FX software isn't just another signal tool. This powerful system is specially designed to work seamlessly with all binary option brokers. Yes, every single one. This software isn't just a signal tool. It's a complete decision-making system designed specifically for all binary option brokers. Whether you're using Pocket Option, IQ Option, Quotex, or any other platform, TurboTrend analyzes momentum, price direction, and volatility. It filters out noise and avoids false signals. When conditions are perfect, it gives you a clean buy or sell signal right on your screen. And no worries, these are non-repainted signals. The signals are made for short-term trades like 1 to 5 minute expirers. You get in, get out, and secure your profit fast. Anywhere. No matter which broker you choose, the accuracy stays high. TurboTrend isn't tied to any one platform. It just delivers. I personally used the system and turned it into over $18,000 in profit. No complicated setups, no guessing. Just follow the signals and trade smart. If I can do it, so can you. So if you're serious about binary options and want a real edge, TurboTrend FX is the tool you need. Try it, test it, and watch how fast your trading confidence grows. This is your moment. Hit that video description right now, click the Telegram link, and send us a message. We'll hook you up fast. No delays, no waiting. Start trading like a pro today, not tomorrow. Let's make some real moves. Let's go. All right, that's it for today. I hope this video gave you a clear idea of how powerful Turbo Trend FX really is. I've been using it for a while now, and honestly, my account balance is already over $18,000 and still growing. No crazy risks, no complicated strategies, just following the signals and staying consistent. If you're still watching, thank you so much for sticking around. It really means a lot. I always try to share what's real, what's working, and what can actually help you in your trading journey. And hey, even if you're just starting out, don't stress. Everyone begins somewhere. What matters is taking that first step. And if you're interested, Turbo Trend FX could be a game changer for you. Thanks again for watching. Take care, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.